Hi guys, welcome to today's episode, which is on shutter speed. So last time we talked about the aperture and how to control the amount of light coming in and out. This time we're going to be talking about the shutter speed and what length of time to keep the shutter open to expose that photograph on the sensor or on the film. Okay, so it's a fairly easy one, this one. So it's basically the slower the shutter speed is, the longer it will stay open. The faster the shutter speed, the more quicker it will take the picture. Let's demonstrate. Okay, so I have my Canon 4000D here. I don't think there's any memory card in it, but if we switch this on and we go to manual, yes, we're going to be using manual here, and you'll be able to see the settings we have here. Okay, now if I just move it over to TV, which is shutter, and usually on Nikons and certain other cameras it will be S for shutter. Don't ask me why it's TV on this one, but it is. And because it's on shutter now, this should only move the shutter speed. Let's just have a look at that. Yeah, so there you can see the shutter moving. Okay, so now let's say, so this is 1/4000th of a second. Okay, now if I take a picture, that was pretty instantaneous. It's taken the picture. Okay, so let's move it down to 125. Take a picture. Okay, that was slightly slower. If I do it at 1/10 of a second, did you hear that? So basically I held it down and let go, and it pretty much came back up at the same time as I did. Let's move it down to I don't know even how to pronounce this. So it's 2 inches or 2 speech marks. And what you do is press it down and it will do its thing, it will do its thing, and ta-da! Let's just do that now again, and then you get to see my ugly face, and that's really slow. Now there is another setting for the shutter itself. It's called bulb, and usually on your camera it will actually say B for bulb, or you can, when you go all the way down, it will actually change it to bulb, but it doesn't actually change it on this particular camera. Let's see, no, it doesn't. Okay, the reason it doesn't is because this is quite a low end. This is like entry level. Okay, let's put it into manual. Let's see if it works under manual. Yes, it does. Okay, so now we're in bulb. Watch this. I can keep it on like this for like half an hour if I wanted to. But every time I lift off and just see what happens, the image is just weird because there's already so much light hitting it that it will just completely wash out the picture. But now let's say if we, I don't know which way this is going actually, if I do that now, okay, you can see a bit of me. Now if I do that a bit more, now that's a better exposure there. So what was that? That was 1/8. Okay, so now if I change that to, don't know what that was. Okay, and that's 1/80th, and that was good. So basically, aperture, let in the light, and then the shutter, letting the light for a certain period of time. Basically, if you coordinate between the aperture and the shutter, you'll get a good picture. But obviously there's one more item left, which is the ISO, and we'll discuss that in the next video. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.